I will guide you how to fix battery drain after update on Motorola G87. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery and check battery draining apps. After check battery draining apps, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. After click on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on factory reset. Click on erase all data. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.